I lost the entire Anderson account today.
The board is voting to fire me tomorrow. Everyone saw my prototype catch on actual fire. A literal fire in a glass skyscraper.
Breathe. Let that failure inform you today. Do not let that disaster define you.
But the press already leaked the video.
My career in this city is totally ruined. I am a walking corporate joke right now.
Scandals fade, but the brilliant lessons remain forever.
What lesson could I possibly learn from this?
You built a battery with way too much power. Scale it back and change the cooling system.
Oh.
Look at bullshit, we polymerize it.
You truly think the prototype can be salvaged?
I know it can be saved perfectly, genius. You just need to stop crying about it.
But my rival, Chad, is taking my office. He already changed the nameplate on the door. Chad is a person who steals ideas. Let him have the broken explosive prototype model. Wait, you want me to let him steal?
He will present it to the board tomorrow. And it will naturally blow up in his face. Exactly, your failure just became his absolute ruin.
Yeah. That is delightfully wicked and incredibly smart advice. I will secretly fix the real design tonight. By tomorrow morning, I will be the hero.
Now you are thinking like a true visionary.
Yeah. Sure.
Use your mistakes as stepping stones to greatness.
Thank you. I am ready to win again.
Failure ain't final. It's feedback. I learn, I move, I rise. I used to freeze up when the stakes got high. Heartbeat heavy like the fear won't die. But now I take steps, even tiny ones count. Small risks weekly, that's how strength builds out. Every setback, talking, giving clues I need. Not a label on my life, just a lesson to read. Just a lesson to read. I'm done letting fear try to lock my lane. I grow through the pressure, not run from the pain. I don't break, I bend. I don't stop, I mend. Failure's just a message, not the story in the end. Let it inform, you never define, you never define. You take small risks, watch how it refines you. Step by step, I'm building my power. Fail forward weekly, I rise every hour. Fail, learn, grow, repeat. Grow, grow, repeat. Fail, learn, grow, repeat. Grow, back till the fear gets weak. Grow, repeat, fail, learn, grow, repeat. Grow, grow, repeat, fail, learn, grow, repeat. I'm not chasing perfect, I'm chasing the try. Every little move is a win in disguise. Courage ain't loud, it's the quiet restart. It's the get back up when you fall apart. I'm taking my shots even when they're rough, cause progress beats perfect when the road gets tough. I'm building my tolerance week by week. Fear loses its voice when my actions speak. I'm allowed to slip, I'm allowed to fall, but I'm not allowed to stop it all. Failure's just a signal, pointing where to go. I take the no, then I grow. Let it inform you, never define you, never define you. Take small risks, watch how it aligns you. Every setback's fuel, every stumble's power. Fail forward weekly, I rise every hour. Failure ain't the end, it's the map. I follow it forward.